how's it going there, YouTube? Ty Huber Cordell here. Is April 9th still again. It's about 10:30 at night, like that. Snowstorm has blew in more snow. If you can tell, if anything, Cole has joined us. And we got snowed in at my house, and we need some beer, so we're making a beer run through the ravine. We're about halfway there. Base camp's up on the side of this hill, but I think we stopped here because I think base camp's covered up into snow right now. So we'll see what happens at the top of the hill. See you then. Okay, so we're kind of just chilling in the snow right now, taking a breather. We still probably got a quarter mile to go in all of this. Our destination's over there.
Common sense food stores are not convenient.
Yeah, our destination's somewhere over there.
Over that hill.
Yeah. We still got one more dip to go down and then another hill to hike. All for some beer.
Yeah.
Hopefully
the gas station's still open.
Yeah, it's 24 hours, but businesses have been closing down all day, so hopefully. You're just covered in it. You look like Alright, we just got done with our nice little break, and we got out of the ravine. Now we're walking in the middle of the road with buildings just covered in snow. Like Wendy's looks like it's been like through hell and back. Yeah. Roads look like something you'd like walk across in Canada in the winter. Hey. I'm about 25% Canadian too, so, but there's our target, the gas station, so we'll see you there. Well, we got our beer after we got to the Common Sense, and we actually, my buddy Mike, he gave us a ride back, but we had to wait till he got off from the gas station, so we waited. Cole got a number from a random trick like that, and we got our beer, and now we're cooking up some pizza. We're gonna have a good old time, you know, and play some video games, watch a movie, and yeah, so that was about the adventure there that we had. Lucky Mike gave us a ride. Kudos to you, buddy. Thank you for the ride from us suffering another freezing, very cold walk back. Yeah, so that's about it. We're gonna have some pizza now and all that good stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching this video and the one before, and check you guys later.